Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the fourth module of Microsoft Excel, and this is Alanis Parks Department Excel Module 4 SIM Project 1A, Analyze and Chart Financial Data. Let me know if you want me to do this project for you. Just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp, and you just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp and I will do the rest. And I will, after completing the assignment, I will send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So moving to step number 1, that is Gudrun Duplessis is a manager in the Alanis Parks Department. Gudrun is compiling a spending data in preparation for a city bond offering for park funding. She wants to use Excel to create charts to illustrate some of her data and apply functions to calculate the potential monthly and yearly cost for the city different bonds scenario. So basically this is a scenario that we are given. This is the role that we are given right there. So moving to the execution step, that is switch to spending worksheet in the range E5 to E10. So this is the spending worksheet, and in the range E5 to E10 it says conditional formatting to show solid blue data bars. So once we have selected the range, we need to go to the home tab, and here in the conditional formatting, data bars, solid fill blue data bars, these one, yeah, solid fill blue data bars. So we are done with this step. Moving to step number 2, that is in the range F5 to F10, add line sparklines based on the data in the range B5 to E10. So this is the range where we need to insert the sparklines. First of all, select the range, go to Insert tab, click Line Sparklines, and here we have to specify on which data these lines sparklines should be based. It should be based on B5 to E10. So we can either type or drag the range as well. I'm dragging the range B5 to E10. You can see. Click OK. Now you see data bars have been inserted in this range based on B5 to E10. Moving to step number 3, that is apply the blue accent 1 darker 25 sparkline color to the range F5 to F10. So we need to select it. As you select, you will see a sparkline tab appears, and here you will find sparkline color, and the color is blue accent 1 darker 25. Yeah, this is the one that we needed. Moving to step number 4, that is Gudrun has created a pie chart representing the percentage of the park's budget that went to each park in 2018. Modify the chart in the range G2 to O20. So this is the range in which is placed in G2 to O20. So we need to modify this. Enter 2018 park spending as a percentage of total as a chart title. So I'm just copying it and clicking here in the chart title and pasting the chart title. You can see chart title has been created. Change the data labels to include the category as well as the percentage, and position the labels in the outside end. So we have to create the data labels to include categories and percentage. Okay. So click on the chart. Now you click on the chart elements, data labels, and click more options. Now from this you will select category name, and the second was percentage. Percentage is already there, you can see. And label and position the label outside end. Now scroll down, you will see now it is centered at the position at the center, we will click outside end. That's it. Remove the legend from the chart. These are the legends. And just uncheck this checkbox. Now you see legend has been removed. Moving to step number 5, that is, Gudrun would like a pie chart representing the percentage of the park's budget that would go to each park in 2021. Create a 2D pie chart based on the data in the range E5 to E9 using the category labels A5 to A9. So basically, if you see, we are going to select two non-adjacent cell ranges. The first is A5 to A9 and the second is E5 to E9. You can see. And now we are going to create a 2D pie chart. So go to the Insert tab and here click the 2D pie chart. Resize and reposition the chart so that the upper left corner is located within G21 and lower right corner is located in O39. So we have to place it below this G21, probably this one. No, this one. And the bottom should be touching with O39. Yeah. So it is rightly placed in the range between G21 to O39. Then left align the chart with the pie chart above it in the range. Okay. So first of all, select this chart and also select this chart. Now go to the shape format, go to align and now click align left. That's it. Moving to step number 6, that is, customize the chart in the range G21 to O39 as follows. So now we are going to customize this chart. Okay. Enter 2021 park spending as a percentage of the total. So I'm just copying it and pasting it right there. Apply a style 3 to the chart. So once you select the chart, you will see a chart design tab appear. And now from this, you will select this style 3. You can see all those elements have been positioned as per the chart 3 design. Moving to step number 7, Gudrun wants a staked bar chart showing spending per park for each year. Create a staked bar chart based on the data in the range A4 to E9. So first of all, we need to select the range, that is A4, sorry. Yeah, A4 to E9. So I've selected the range. Now we are going to create a staked bar chart. Go to the Insert tab, All Charts. This is the one, staked bar chart. Resize and reposition the chart so the left upper corner is located in cell A11 and lower right corner in F39. So we're going to position it A11 and F39. 39 is way below, so we are going to place it on F39. Yeah, that is exactly the same position that we wanted to. Now next, moving to Step number 8, that is customize the chart in the range A11 to F39. So we're going to insert or type this as a chart title, and change the maximum value to 23 on the horizontal axis. So you can see these are the horizontal axis and this is the vertical axis. So we are going to change the maximum value on the horizontal axis. So first of all, select the horizontal axis, then double click it. A format axis window will appear, and now you have to change this maximum value to this figure. So the maximum value should be like this. Okay. Apply the shape fill of white background 1 darker 5% to the chart area. So if you are not sure which area you are selecting, you can just click on the chart area. The chart area, this one will be selected. Now go to the fill and shape fill white background 1 darker 5%, like this. Yes, that's it. Moving to step number 9, that is, how many do we have? Okay, next is move the park spending 2018-2021 combo chart in the range as follows. So we have to update this A40 placed on A40. This is the one we have to update it. Okay, move the chart to the projection worksheet. So whenever you are asked to move any chart, first you will select that chart and go to the chart design tab, and here you will see a move chart option location. Now we have to specify where do you want to place. We want to place in the projection worksheet. Now in the projection worksheet, it should be there. Resize and reposition the chart so that the upper left corner is located within A4 and lower right corner in K22. That's it. I think that's it for this video. If you want me to complete the next part, do text me on the WhatsApp. And if you want me to complete the outdoor assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp and share your files over the WhatsApp, and I will send it back to you after completing it. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.